Today is day 12 of cycling across Korea, although today I won't actually be touching the bike once, as I find myself wrapped up in a hat festival taking place in the city I'm staying in. Annyeonghaseyo Wanderers, I am headed out. It does look beautiful out today. Gorgeous clear skies, but the weather's still saying the second half of the day there's like an 80% chance of rain. Alright, I've eaten. They had hot chocolate at Paris Baguette. I hadn't seen that before. It's not as deep and dark as the Filipino hot chocolate. That shocked me the first time I had it. I'm like, whoa. Also, I went in 7-Eleven and finally found an umbrella. Turns out you buy them in the convenience store. Alright, I've seen Domino's and now Pizza Hut, but I don't see any Papa John's. They've got the bad pizza here, but I don't see the good one. Guys, I had reached a dead end walking and realized I'm supposed to continue down here. Kind of neat. It wasn't very long, but that was kind of neat. All right, back to where we were headed. Look, I found another little park. This isn't where we're going, but I'm always happy to pass through a park. And there's a restroom up ahead in this park. Thank God. I've really got to go. When I first walked out, it was really bright and sunny, and I was kind of wondering, really? It's gonna rain today? It's getting cold and cloudy. It's not supposed to rain till like 1. Not sure what the balloons are about. They're right over the park, it looks like. I translated the balloons and some of the signs that are around. It says it's a Sangju World Hat Festival? If that translation is wrong, there's some festival happening here. If it's right, I'm really curious. I've never been to a hat festival before. We are closing in on the park, however, and man, it looks cool. There's definitely a festival happening. There's like workers coming out, and I hear a loudspeaker and drums or something, maybe just music, I don't know. What did we stumble into? So it says this is an exact recreation of the magistrate's home from here in Sangju, that it burned down at some point, but this was recreated exactly as it really was. I don't know if it means all of this or just this part. Dude, what is happening? It sounds so lit over there. I think I need to just walk deeper in and see what's going on. Okay, I was right. I heard drums. There's something seriously happening in front of me. Whoa. Yeah, I think the translation was right. Everybody's wearing hats, interesting hats, and doing things with hats. It's really interesting. Alright, well, there's tons of booths and different places to eat. Let's just go see what we can find. This is travel. Sometimes you accidentally end up in a hat festival. Dude, this festival is so massive for hats. Like, there's stuff back there. It keeps going way further back than you can see. It's huge. They have a massive stage back here. For what? I don't know. Maybe there's performances on the stage later? Whoa, alright guys, look what I just found. Hold on. Right past here, I just saw them peeking over the tent. A row of bounce houses. If I was a kid, I would be in heaven right now. Huge line for something back there. I don't know what it's for. Looks like there's just places to eat in there. I haven't really gone by any of the food booths yet. I've just walked kind of around the edge. I haven't gone through the middle or anything. I want Korean hot dog, corn dog. I've been craving it for a couple days. I don't know if they'll have it here. If they do, I'm gonna get one. This one over here with the bees, they're giving out honey samples. Let's try. Mmm. It's so good. That's really good. Too bad I have no room on the bike to carry honey with me. The jars are huge. There's no way. That would weigh so much. I feel naked being at a hat festival with no hat, but if I bought one, I have nowhere to put it. It sucks that I love that I'm traveling by bike, but it means I can't really buy anything. Nothing that's gonna take space. Okay, I just realized I entered a different festival. There's more than one festival happening at this park. This is a Korean beef festival. That must be what that line is for, is to try the beef. That's a huge line though. I wonder if there's a third festival on the other side. So I saw a schedule in Korean and I was translating it, and a girl saw me and came up and gave me this with a map. So this is the schedule in English. Sorry, that's so loud. But yeah, this is huge. There's so much going on here. I think there's fireworks at night too, if I'm reading this right. Looks like there's an exhibition hall of hats in there, so let's check it out. That was cool. I think they have like every hat here. Maybe not every hat. There's a large portion of the hat population represented at this festival. Honestly, a hat festival is not something I would have thought I'd ever be interested in, but maybe it's for that reason that it's so unexpected that I'm having a good time. There is so many people here as well. It's a big event, I guess. I got ice cream from this one here. The top one is melon. This one is strawberry, and this one is grape. All right, I've decided to take a small break from the festival and finally go see the gate. It looks like you can walk up in it and across it. It looks really cool. The gate's very cool. I actually don't know anything about it, of course. I don't know. It looks really newish. I'm gonna go back and see if the line for the beef thing has shortened. I need to eat something other than ice cream. Guys, these are the celebrities here. Let me know in the comments if you know them. I keep seeing these big grapes everywhere here. Seems like the rain's coming though. Everybody's running suddenly. I'm feeling some drops. Everybody's fleeing. Dude, this thing is freaking huge. Let's try. Whoa. It is a grape, right? That's not like any grape I've ever had. That is so juicy and good. That's amazing. Suddenly, I noticed some sort of dance competition or event happening, so I stopped and watched for a while. It shouldn't be too surprising that they were all super good. So it did rain for a minute, but now it's getting kind of hot. And because it's getting hotter and it rained, it's kind of humid. Actually, I spent a long time watching the people dance. Longer than I'd like to admit. I watched like 4 or 5 groups go. It was really enjoyable. I had a good time. Now, I think I finally found hot dog. I got it. I just love how flaky they are. Like, I don't actually even eat corn dogs very much in the US. They're so flaky and different. Really interesting. All right, I'm leaving the hat festival. I've been here for about 5 hours. What are the chances that I'd end up in this city exactly when this is happening? Pretty neat. I might come back this evening. The fireworks, it looks like, are at 7. If it is fireworks, I might be misunderstanding the book. All right, I got Domino's. All right, it looks okay. It actually looks different than in the US, unlike Papa John's. Papa John's was the same. It's not the same as in the US, but it doesn't taste the same as in Australia as well. I used to get it a lot in Australia. Tastes different than both, but honestly, this might be the best one. Australia's is really good too. The US's Domino's just sucks, dude. But this is pretty good. I do recommend. All right, guys, clothes are washed. I actually extended for one more night because I have something to do tomorrow. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. It's no problem. We got plenty of time. We will be on the bike though. Right now I'm headed back to the Hat Festival because on the thing it says fireworks play at 7 p.m. I don't know what that means. I'm hoping that means legit fireworks, but whatever. We don't have anywhere to rush off to tomorrow, so we can stay out a little bit later tonight. Major golden hour vibes in the city right now. Look at the sky. I'm not even there yet, but I can definitely hear bass in the distance already. Probably too low for the camera to pick up, but it's there. Dang, guys, ice cream guy's gone. I was hoping to grab some more. In the evening, the vibes took a more chill turn. Everyone was just hanging out and relaxing with friends and family. Even though I had obviously never been here in my life, there was something nostalgic about walking around this hat festival in the evening. I got more grapes. I couldn't resist, man. They're so good. Guys, it's about to rain for sure. You can see it over there, even though it's dark. Look how bright that is. They're setting everything up for the rain. I have a sign here. Where? There. They had turon here. Like from the Philippines. Turon. I love turon. But I asked and they said they're out. I didn't see that earlier. I'm so sad. They put like a big warning on the screen that says to hide because of a rain, I assume. I have my umbrella and it is starting to rain more and more. It's getting colder. Oh, I can see it. I should probably open my umbrella. It's raining. Oh man. The rain is very weak. It's not bad at all. But everybody's running and hiding. They must know more than me. It must be gonna get a lot worse. All day I've been seeing the price of food here at this festival. Why is it that festival food here in Korea, it's like all reasonably priced? It's the same as what I would find other places. Actually, some of it's cheaper. A lot of the places said they have discounts for the festival. How come in the US, anytime you go to any festival, the food's like ridiculously expensive? Why? The second the rain cleared, the fun began. Turns out, when the schedule said fireworks play, it literally meant a play that includes fireworks. This was awesome and absolutely the cherry on top of an already amazing day. It was a really cool day, not what I expected, but let's head back before it gets too late. It is getting colder. I was smart to wear this. Today is a prime example of it's about the journey, not the destination. I mean, this whole trip, my destination is Busan, but I may really love Busan. Busan may end up being my favorite place in all of Korea, but it's not about Busan. Busan's just the destination, and that's kind of what I want to show with this whole cycling trip I'm doing. A lot of people are flying down from Incheon to Busan as fast as they can to get there. And it's great, you can do it however you want, but for me, I want to spend as much time as I can on the journey, because that's where things like this happen. Today perfectly encapsulated the whole idea of this trip for me.